ordering fractions with different denominators. When we study fractions in math, an essential skill we all learn is to put fractions in size order. This shows that we understand how big one fraction is compared to another. I hope you've already compared some fractions like this. Here, 4/5 is greater than 1/5. And this is easy for us because the denominators are the same.
Look, so here 4/5 or 4/5 is bigger than 1/5. Why? You have first check the two denominators. Now we have 5 and 5 for both of them. Ahmed, Walid, are these of the same denominator?
Same denominator, yes.
Yeah, they are the same denominator. So all what we need is to compare the two numerators, which is 4 and 1. Of course, 4 is bigger than 1. So 4/5 is bigger than 1/5.
But you will usually be asked to compare fractions with different denominators. Let's say we have to compare these fractions. We have to put them in order from least to greatest. We think our way through the problem. One strategy is to
Wait, now here we have 3 fractions, 3/4, 1/2, and 5/8. We need to order them from least to greatest, from least to greatest. But we have here a big problem. What is the problem, Yusuf Hazm? Do you know what is the problem here?
Yes.
What is the problem?
That 3/4 should be in the 1/2 place.
You are close to the right answer, but the most important thing here that the denominators, they are not the same.
They are not the same.
Yeah, 3/4, its denominator is 4. 1/2, its denominator is 2. 5/8, its denominator is 8.
8.
And to order them, we have to convert all of them, I mean the denominators, to be the same. So how could we do that lesson?
to use fraction strips. And remember, fraction strips are all the same length. First, we check the denominators. 2 and 4 are both factors of 8, so all the fraction strips can be 8 centimetres long. I do the fraction with the largest denominator first. Always use a ruler to make your fraction strips. No freehand lines, please. It's math, not art. One fraction strip, 8 centimetres long, or 8 squares long if you happen to have squared paper in your math book. Each centimetre is 1 part out of 8. Now I colour in the fraction value 5/8.
Okay, she is going to compare them during the models, and this is not our business today. So now, yes, Abdulaziz, you have an urgent thing?
Yes, I
Yes.
did not hear nothing of the video because my laptop closed.
Don't worry, don't worry. Just listen to me here.
Okay.
Look, if I have here 1/2, let me change the size. One half. Abdulaziz, are you with me?
Yes.
1/2 and 2/8.
Okay.
What is the denominator of 1/2?
The denominator of 1/2? 2.
2. And what is the denominator of 2/8?
2/8?
Yeah.
16.
No. 2/8. What is the denominator?
4.
Denominator of this one. Of this fraction.
The denominator of 2/8?
Yeah. 8.
8.
Its denominator is 8. Now I need to make this denominator the smallest one, like 8. How can I do that?
Multiply?
Yes, multiply by what?
By 8.
By 4.
By 4.
If
Sorry.
you multiply 2 by 4, you will get 8.
Yes.
And since you multiply 2 by 4, you have to multiply 1 by 4.
Okay.
Whatever you do down, you have to do it up.
Okay.
Now, what is 1 times 4? Look,
4.
4. And what is 2 times 4?
8.
8. Now look, half becomes 4 over 8. And drop
Okay.
this fraction again, 2 over 8. Now look, we have 4 over 8 and 2 over 8. Are they of the same denominator?
Yes.
Yeah, so now I can compare them. What is
Okay.
the biggest fraction?
What?
What is the biggest fraction? 8.
Biggest fraction?
Here we have
8.
8 and 8, so forget about 8 and compare the denominators,
Okay.
which is 4. 4 is bigger than 2.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Danny?
Yes.
1 over 2, 3 over 4, and 2, 8. I need to order them from least
From little to
from least to
great.
greatest. From least to greatest.
um
How can I do that?
from least to greatest.
Look.
I think first
What is our
to-
big problem? What is our big problem now?
Our big problem, we need to solve which one's greatest, which one's least, and which one's
The most important thing, Danny, is to check the denominators. Are they the same?
no.
What should I do? I have to convert all of them to be the same. Look, what is the biggest denominator? 8. Can
8
I
is the
convert
biggest.
2 and 4 to be 8?
Yes, because 2 times 4 or 4
Yeah,
times 2,
so
whatever you want to say it equals 8. So
you,
now
since
both
you
of them
multiply
are
2 by
8.
4, you have to multiply 1 by 4. And this one, 4, can you convert it to be 8? 4 multiplied by
2 again,
2,
because
2.
from the
Yeah, so 4 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 2. And what about 2 over 8? Don't change it. Just drop it as itself. Now write the new fraction. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Look.
so it's gonna be 4
4,
and
8.
8.
And what about this one?
This it's gonna be 6 out of 4.
No.
Or 6 oh 6 6 8, sorry, 8.
6 out of 8 and
And then the last one is the same.
yes, drop it as itself. Now you can order them from least.
Now the biggest is
From
6
least
out of 8.
From least to greatest.
From least to greatest. So the first one is 2 out of 8 because 2 is the lowest number.
This is the first one.
Then not the least, for the middle, it's 4 out of 8 because that's the half of 8.
Yeah, so this is number 2.
And then the last one is 6 because we're taking a 6 of a portion from 8. So that means 2, 4, then 6.
I'm pretty sure that you understand.
Yep.
Thank you. Ammar?
Yes.
Look, here we have 1/5 and 3 over, I'm sorry, wait. 2/3 and 2 over 15. Order them from greatest to least. How? The same strategy. Are they of the same denominator?
Yes.
The same?
No.
What is the denominator of the first one?
5.
5. What is the denominator of the second?
3.
What is the denominator of the last one? 15. Look, if you check 5 and 3, they are factors of 15.
Yeah.
So you can convert both of them to be 15. So how can you multiply 5? How can you convert 5 to be 15. You multiply it by what number?
3.
3. And you have to multiply on by 3 as well. And how can you convert 3 to be 15?
5.
5 multiplied by 5. So you have to multiply 2 by what?
2 by 3.
By
5.
5 as well. The same. When you multiply the denominator by a number, you have to do the same with the numerator. Now please write the new fractions. 1 times 3?
3.
3. 5 times 3 is 15.
15.
Here, 2 times 10, 2 times 5 is 10.
10. Yeah.
And 3 times 5, 15.
15.
The last one is 2 over 15 already. Write it. What do you notice, Samar, about the new denominator? What do you notice? Are they of the same denominator?
Yes.
Yeah, so now we can order them from greatest to smallest or least. What is the biggest one?
15.
Which one?
The one in the middle.
In the middle, 10 over 15. So that means 2 over 3 is the biggest one. What is after that?
After that, the one in
Say a 3 over 15.
3 over 15.
Yeah, and that means 1 over 2 is number 2. No, 1 over 5, I'm sorry, is number 2. And of course, this one is number 3. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Understand.
Thank you. Abdullah? Abdullah.
Yes.
Look, Abdullah, we have this one. 1 over 5. 2 over 6. 3 over 10. How can we convert all of them to be of the same denominator? Can I convert 5 to be 10?
Yes.
Yeah, but multiply it by what number?
2.
2. Okay, that's great. Can you convert 6 to be 10?
No.
No, so I have a problem. What should I do? You have to think about the multiples of all of them. The common multiple of all of them. So you can convert all of them, to be 30. If I multiply 10 by 3, it will be 30. If you multiply 6 by 5, it will be 30. If you multiply 5 by 6, it will be 30. You understand?
Yes.
Abdullah. So I multiply 5 by 6, so you have to multiply 1 by 6. 6 times 5, you have to multiply 2 by 5 as well. 10 times 3, so you have to multiply 3 by 3. Now please write the new fractions. Abdullah, what are the new fractions?
New fractions is
Multiply 1 by 6. 6. 5 times 6. Wait. 5 times 6, 30. So all of them will be 30 down. Then what is 2 times 5?
10.
The last one, 3 times 3?
9.
9. Now can we order them? Order them, please, ascendingly or descendingly. Descendingly means, you know what is the meaning of descendingly? Descendingly means from the biggest one to the smallest. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the biggest one?
10 over 30.
10 over 30, and that means 2 over 6 is the biggest one. So write 1. What comes next?
9 over 30.
9 over 30, and that means 3 over 10 is number 2. And after that, 1 over 5 or 1/5 is number 3. You understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Now please open this page in your book. Page number 373. 373. 373. Faisal, ready? Where are you, Faisal? Let me check. Faisal, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Can you see this page? 373?
But the screen is not really clear.
It's not really clear. Oh, okay.
Can you tell me again what's the page so I can open it?
373.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, now it's more clear.
Okay. Question 2. Write the fraction with the greatest value. The greatest value. What is the problem now? 7 over 10, 1 over 5, 9 over 10. What is the problem?
The problem?
Always the problem is the denominator. Are they of the same denominator?
No.
No. Only we have 2 tenths, but we have 5. How can we convert 5 to be 10 at the others?
Wait, teacher.
Okay. Muhammad? Look, 7 over 10, 1 over 5, 9 over 10. We need to convert 5 to be 10 at the other's denominator. How? You have to multiply it by what number?
By
To be
10?
10. No. I need 5 to be 10.
Multiplied by 2.
That's right.
2
So you have to
multiplied-
multiply 5 by 2, and since you multiply 5 by 2, you have to multiply 1 by 2 as well. Okay? Muhammad? Okay? So write
Okay.
7 over 10 as itself. Then write 9 over 10 as itself. And only convert 1 over 5. You said you have to multiply 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. 1 by 2 is 2. 5 by 2 is 10. Oh, now we have the same denominator for all of them. 7 over 10, 2 over 10, 9 over 10. What is the biggest fraction?
9 over 10.
Yeah, so this is the biggest one. What is the second one? 7 over 10. What is the third one? 1 over 5.
2 over 10.
Yeah, that's nice. Yusuf Houda.
Just asking, what's the page again?
373.
Okay, thank you.
Walif? Walif? Okay, Jamal? Danny?
Yes.
Look, Danny, number 3.
Yeah.
We have 5 sixths, 7 twelfths, and 7 tenths. First of all, you have to check the denominators. 6, 12, and 10. Are they the same?
No.
They are not the same. We have to multiply all of them by a number to be the same.
I think we can multiply.
To get the, the common multiple for all of them.
A common.
So it's up to you. Think about it and tell me. let me write it in another page to help you. Okay.
Okay.
Look, 5/6, 7/12, and 7/10. You have an idea? Danny.
Wait, what did? Yeah.
Okay. Look at this idea. It's called, it depends on or based on something called the common denominator. So you have to write 6 and find the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6?
The multiples of 6 are 6 and then 12
and 24,
24,
30,
30,
and so on.
30,
Can you tell me
yeah.
about the multiple of 12?
The multiple of 12, there's 12, 24, 30,
36,
36,
48,
48,
yeah,
then
60.
Then 60, and then so on.
What about 10? Can you find
10?
60 in the multiples of 10?
Yes, 60
Yeah.
you can find.
And can you
it.
find 60 in the multiple of 6?
Yes.
And can you find 60 in multiples of 12?
Yes.
Yeah, so we have to convert all of them to be 60. So 6 times 10,
6
12
times 10,
times
that will
5,
be 60.
10 times 6. By this way, they are
now
going to
all
be,
of them.
yeah.
Okay. Now all of them are 60. Then we times. Then to make it 5 times that
Yeah.
is 5 times 10 is 40.
Now please
7
write the new
times-
fractions.
The first one is
Of course,
50 out of 60.
Wait. Of course, all of them now of the same denominator, 60.
60, 60, 60.
Okay.
So the first one, which is 5 out of 6, is going to be 50 out of 6.
Right.
Second one is going to be 35 out of 60.
And the last?
The last one is all going to be 42.
Yeah. So what do you think? What is the biggest one?
The biggest one is 50 because it's like a 50 portion.
And that means
the second big, that means this is the biggest fraction.
Yeah, the biggest one. So please write it in your book.
Okay.
This is question what, Danny? What question is this? 3 or 4 or 2? Question 3?
No, I think it was.
It's question 3 and page 373. Write the answers, please. Write the answers.
I didn't know the page because.
Muhammad Sultan?
Yes, mister?
Please, you are going to answer the question, but please make the mic close to you.
Okay.
Question 7. Can you see it?
Question 7.
Yeah.
Yes.
On the same page. 3 over
I
4,
see.
7 over 12, 5 over 12. Check the 3 denominators. Are they the same?
No, but because 3 of 4, it's not 4.
Yeah, it's not like 12. 3 over 4 We need to convert 4 to be 12. How? How can we do that? Easy. 4 times what number is going to be 12? I can't hear you, Muhammad.
4 times.
Yeah, 4 times.
4 times 3.
That's right. And if you multiply 4 by 3, so you have to multiply 3 by what number?
By 5.
No, 3 by 3 as well.
3 by 3 equal 9.
You have to multiply both of them, the numerator and the denominator, by the same number. Okay, now please write the new fraction. If you do that, 3 over 4, you are going to multiply both of them by 3. 3 by 3 is 9. 4 by 3 is 12. Now 3 over 4 becomes 9 over 12. Now write 7 over 12 as itself, because the denominator is 12.
And 5 over 12, it's the same, right?
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, now what is the biggest one, the greatest one?
The biggest one, 9 of 12.
Yeah.
Then 9, then 7 of.
Yeah. The question is, write the greatest value. What is the greatest value? Here, 9 over 12, and that means 3 over 4 is the biggest one. So write this one. Okay? Okay? Muhammad, thank you. Mu'taz. Mu'taz?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Mahmoud.
Question 5. 1/4, 3/6, 1/8.
Okay, now how do we let now like 4 multiplied by 2
Yeah.
equals 8. Now we multiplied 2 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 4.
Yeah.
Now 3 multiplied 3 and 6.
Look. 1 over 4, 3 over 6, 1 over 8. How can we convert the 3 denominators to be the same?
Okay, now
can you check the multiples of the 3 denominators? What are the multiples of 4?
The multiples of 4 are 24. So each one is 24.
So we are going to multiply all of them by what? To get 24?
4 we multiplied by 6.
Right.
And 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. And 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 3.
Yeah. So you have to multiply the denominator and numerator by the same number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, the new fractions?
Okay, 1 multiplied by 6. Now 4 multiplied by 6, 24. Now we write all 24. 3. No, here 6 and 12.
And the last one?
3.
3.
So 12. So 3 out of 6 is
the greatest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if I ask you to order, so you have to put this number 1. This is number 2. And this one is number 3.
Yeah.
So the greatest one is 3 over 6. Write it in question 5.
Okay. Thank you, teacher, for letting me answer.
Welcome, dear. Is Fauda ready to answer one?
Okay.
If you can't answer, so you have to pay $100,000.
How am I supposed to get $100,000? $1 is 3 riyals.
It's 3 riyals? No, it's 3.75 riyals. It's not 3. It's like 4, but less than 4 by 25 halalas.
Oh,
So it's rounded to 4.
Yeah. Okay,
how
look,
much?
write the fractions in order from least to greatest. 2 over 5, 1 over 3, 5, 6. Let me write it for you, then you are going to answer it together.
Okay. 1 over 3. What? Mr. Hello? Jamal, do you hear me?
I hear you, Yusuf. Now you can do it.
Okay. 1 over 3.
Look, we have here 2 over 5, 1 over 3, and 5 over 6. Are they of the same denominator?
No.
What should I do? Look, what are the multiples of all of them? What are the multiples of 5?
Until how much?
You know, the multiples of 5 like 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Okay, until
What are the
30.
multiples of 3? Can you find 30 in the multiples of 3?
No.
Why?
But
3 times 10.
yeah, so that's 10.
And what about 6? Can you find 30 in the multiples of 6? Can you find 30 in table 6?
Yeah?
Yeah, so we can convert all of them to be what number? 30. 5
Yeah.
times 6 and 3 times 10 and then 6 times 5. Then you have to multiply 2 by the same number 6 here times 10 and then times 5. Please write the new fractions.
Okay.
Now they are all of the same denominator, 30, 30, 30.
Yeah, 30, 30, 30.
What about the numerator?
Okay, 30 and 12. 12
12.
above 30. Yeah.
Then
10 above 30. 5 times 5, 25. 25 above 30.
now order them from least to greatest. Least to greatest. What is the least one?
10.
10 over 30, and that means 1 over 3 is the least one. So write 1. Okay?
And second is 12 over 30.
Yeah, and that means 2 over 5 is number 2.
25.
And this one is number 3. Is it easy, Yusuf, or hard?
Easier than ABC.
Thank you. Ahmed Walid,
Yes.
what about the next one? Can you tell me about the fractions?
Okay. It's 12 over...
Number 9,
Which one?
number 9, number 9.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Number 9, question 9 is the same page.
Okay. Question 9. 4. Wait. My pencil. Okay. 4 over 8, 5 over 12, 1 over 6.
What is the problem? I need to order them from least to greatest.
We have to order them or...
Order them. What is the common multiple for all of them? We need to multiply 8 by what number, and 12 by what number, and 6 by what number to make them the same denominator. So we have to check the multiples of each of them. And you know, we can do a trick before starting. You know, 4 over 8, can we simplify it?
Simplify it? No, I didn't know that.
4 and 8, can we divide them by a number to make it simple fraction?
Make it simple fraction.
Can we divide 4 and 8 by 2 or by 4? 4 divided by 4, and 8 divided by 4. Look, 4 divided by 4 is 1.
Yeah.
8 divided by 4 is 2. So actually 4 is half of 8 and 4 over 8 is equal to half.
Okay.
You understand
I
this trick? Then
Yes.
write 5 over 12 as itself again, then 1 over
1
6.
over 6.
Now we can multiply 2 by what number to get 12, and 6 by what number to get 12? 2
6
by 6.
2 by 6, yeah.
And 6 by